one angle of a triangle is 10 degrees greater than the smallest angle. So that kind of throws us for a loop because we don't know what the first angle is that they're talking about, the one angle, and we don't know what the smallest angle is either. There's two things that we don't know. And then the third angle is 50 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. So we don't know the first, the second, or the third angle. They don't tell us any of them. But at least we know that they're all referencing this smallest angle. So we're going to let x be the smallest angle. Oh, it won't let me do that. I tried to hide the answers. I think I just revealed them there. X is the smallest angle. And we know that if we add up all the angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that should equal 180 degrees because it's a triangle. All three of the angles inside a triangle should add up to make 180 degrees. So in order to figure out what goes in each of these blanks, let's take what they say in the sentence. Let's say angle 1 is this first angle they're talking about. It's 10 degrees greater than the smallest angle. So I'm going to put 10 plus x. Right? If x represents the smallest angle, then this is 10 plus the smallest angle, 10 plus x. And then angle 2, we can call it the next one. Or you could call it the next one angle 3 if you want. Doesn't matter. The third angle is 50 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. So just like on question 5 in this quiz, to be 50 less than something, you have to do the minus 50 at the end. Okay? And it's 50 less than twice the smallest angle. So this is twice the smallest angle, and this is how we write 50 less than twice the smallest angle. And then the third angle is just the smallest angle. We haven't put x in there. So here's the first angle. It's 10 greater than the smallest angle. Here's the second angle that we're talking about. It's 50 less than twice the smallest angle. And then the third angle, in my expression, I'm just calling x, the smallest angle. Now we have an equation that we can solve, because if you add up all the x's, x plus 2x makes 3x, plus x makes 4x. Subtract the 50. This is back in more familiar territory. The 10 and the minus 50 are already on the same side, so if you do 10 minus 50 gives you minus 40. Then we've got to add 40 to both sides. So 4x equals 220, and then divide both sides by 4. So x, the smallest angle, is 55 degrees. So that's what we're going to put in here, 55. Found out the smallest angle. Now to find the other ones, one angle is 10 degrees greater than the smallest angle. So we'll call that this angle here because they said the third angle is supposed to be the 50 less than 2 times. Okay, so this angle here, the second angle, is 10 greater than the smallest angle. So that's just 65, 10 more than 55. And the third angle is 50 less than twice the smallest angle. Well, twice the smallest angle is 110. And then if you do 110 minus 50, that's 60 for the third angle.